Hello everyone, welcome back to my podcast. I'm Priya Kaur. I'm an entrepreneur, best-selling author, Reiki Grandmaster, NLP coach, MBA gold medalist, a renowned business and life coach, and TED speaker. Today's our podcast topic is how to use compliment more effectively. Okay, let me begin by asking, do you know anyone who does not love compliments? No, right. Everyone loves to get noticed, appreciated, and feel loved. When you give compliments, people reply to it and get along immediately. But flattering does not work. You need to know how to give an effective compliment, and that is what I'm going to tell you today. Number one, be sincere. Be honest and sincere while telling people what you like about them. Number two, justify it. Back your compliment with a genuine reason. Ask a question on that. Asking a question shows that you are truly impressed and want to learn more about it. Genuine and sincere question make your compliment more authentic. Number four, give compliment from perspective third party. You can, for example, tell someone that you did a research before calling them, and many people had only good things to talk about them. Number five, give compliment through other people. When your compliment reaches someone through other people, believe me, it works wonders. Number six, compliment by writing a note. After your meeting is over, sending a thank you or complimentary note can really help you. A good compliment can take you a long way in creating strong and healthy relationship. So keep this point in mind when you want to effectively compliment someone. That's all for today. If you want to learn more about the power of compliments, buy my course Sale Expertise by visiting on priya.com and my book Sale Expertise from Amazon. I'm sure it will help you immediately. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a great day. Thank you very much.